Looking for a stunning and effective website design? Look no further than our expert team of web designers. We specialize in creating custom websites that not only look great, but also deliver results. Our designs are optimized for user experience and search engine visibility, ensuring that your website is both attractive and functional. Our team of designers will work closely with you to understand your unique business needs and create a website that reflects your brand identity. We offer a range of website design services, including responsive design, e-commerce integration, and content management systems. So why wait? Let us help you take your online presence to the next level. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and get started on your new website design.